In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Thunderbird. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading other necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Thunderbird download page. And here I will be downloading the English US Windows MSI 64-bit installer. So I'll click on this button right here and the download should start. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it. Then I will click on the button right here to download the file and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging my installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools, then I will select add existing file and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and on this edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that, it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here, and then I will go back to the package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder, right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and then copy. Then I will go to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Thunderbird. Then for the file type, I will enter MSI because the installation file that I'm using has the .msi extension. And also I need to provide silent switches because I want Chocolatey to execute the installation for the software silently. And once again, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have all the necessary switches that I will be using for this package. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to the package and insert the values here. And that's all that we need to modify for this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Thunderbird. Then for the package version, I will enter 1156.0. We can see the version number on the installation file right here. For the authors, I will leave it at less automation, and for the description, I will enter Thunderbird package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill in. Now we can save the information by clicking on the save button, and now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and then I will be saving it in my downloads folder, and I will also use my downloads folder as Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's save it here. And now let's try to install it, and for that I will open my terminal application. I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And here I will type choco, install, then I need to provide my package ID here that I entered in the package here. So it's Thunderbird, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide the Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, all apps, we should find Thunderbird here, and here it is. I'll click on it and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.